Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you fix the feature or you are trying to use in on a network resource that is unavailable. So how can fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your Google search engine and type a program install and uninstall troubleshooter. Go to it and download troubleshooter. It's required for a few seconds to download it according to your network speed, and open it. Click next to continue and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a services. Open services and find out a Windows installer. Now here is a Windows installer and click on start. Click on OK and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, first of all select the H key local machine and expand it. After that select the software and expand it. After that select the classes and expand it. Scroll down and find out a installer. Now here is an installer and expand it. After that find out a products and expand it. Now after select the key one by one, check the product name and delete problematic applications. After that close it. Close the registry editor. Close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.